All right, big breaking update coming in. Mega Republic exclusive and stabbing case, viewers. And what we are learning is that the video that helped Mumbai police nab the attacker is now, I repeat, is now accessed January 9th. It's from January 9th. CCTV footage of the accused from January 9th right there on your screen, viewers. Back-to-back updates coming in. Meanwhile, Republic has accessed exclusive CCTV footage of the accused from January 9th. That was the big lead to locate the accused. Now, this is a clincher. I repeat, this is the clincher footage that gave the investigation and police teams the location and the details to capture, to arrest the accused. This is from January 9th. This is the footage coming in from January 9th, viewers. Back-to-back details coming here. Republic TV, 70 hours after attack on Saif Ali Khan. Mumbai police, remember, arrested the accused from Thane. And as we keep getting you more update, this is the exclusive picture. I repeat, this is the Republic exclusive picture which shows you the CCTV footage which really played a huge role to identify and arrest the main suspect in this case. After a 70-hour manhunt for the man who stabbed Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan 6 times at his Bandra residence in the earlier hours of January 17, the Mumbai police finally arrested the suspected attacker from Thane. And this is the CCTV footage. But this CCTV footage is from January 9th, which is around almost a week before that incident, the stabbing case. And I want to go back to my colleague Sandeep, who has been on the ground, and he's at the Bandra Holiday Court, because very soon the main suspect will be produced there. And if you could take our viewers through, Sandeep, that video that Republic TV has accessed, it's from January 9th, which is around a week or so before the stabbing case. How did this video help the police teams crack the case and find the main suspect? Yes, Sandeep.
See, this is the big lead. This was the big lead for Mumbai police indeed. This was the CCTV, in fact, that we have accessed exclusively on Republic TV, which shows that the accused was in fact sitting behind, he was in fact seen sitting behind the contractor who he worked for out there in DN Nagar. That was captured in DN Nagar area in Mumbai, in fact, in which the accused can be seen getting down from the motorbike of the contractor. Now, when this CCTV footage was accessed by Mumbai police, in fact, then Mumbai police tried locating the contractor, in fact, in which he can be seen driving the motorbike, and on the same bike this accused was sitting and getting down out there on the at the DN Nagar road. So definitely that was the big lead, following which the contractor was located. After the contractor was located, the mobile number was in fact sought by the contractor of the accused, and in fact following the number was given by the contractor, this accused who attacked Saif Ali Khan, he was located, and in fact Mumbai police was able to track the accused, and at that very point in time Mumbai police reached to the spot where the accused used to in fact work in the past in Thane. So a big lead was this CCTV footage that we are playing exclusively on Republic TV. Shubhangi.
Yes, absolutely. And hold on, Sandeep, because we are also being joined by our other colleague, Pragati, at the Khar police station. And this is the exact police station where, viewers, the main suspect has been held in detention. Yes, Pragati, what is happening there and what time? What time, Pragati, will the suspect be moved out of that police station if he has not already been moved out?
Yes, Shivangi, see we are present outside the Khar police station, and inside police station there are many officials who are interrogating the prime suspect. Accused came to Mumbai a few months ago, and there are many more information. Because of that, within 24 hours, police will take the accused to the court, and before that, police will take the accused for medical checkup. After that, after the medical checkup, police will take accused to court so that they can further interrogate the accused, because there are many questions which are not answered yet. And you can see the visual here. Police, there are many officials who are interrogating the suspect. Accused is Bangladeshi who has valid Indian document. It is also a big question, because उसके पास कोई भी ऐसे valid document present नहीं है जो ये प्रूफ कर पाए कि वो इंडियन है। और ये एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल यहाँ पर खड़ा हो रहा है, क्योंकि बताया जा रहा है उसका जो ओरिजिन है वो बांग्लादेश से ही है। और इस पहलू पर भी यहाँ पर सवाल जवाब किए जा रहे हैं। थोड़ी देर में किसी भी वक्त शिवांगी यहाँ से पुलिस लेकर अक्यूज्ड।
दिल्ली में क्या हो रहा है? तो बांग्लादेशी लोग रांची के अंदर क्या जितना चेन स्नैचिंग हो रही है, अगर 10 रांची में 10 स्नैचिंग होती होगी चेन की, 9 बांग्लादेशी होते हैं उसमें। तो अब तो देश को ऐसे बांग्लादेशियों को बाहर करना होगा, चिन्हित करना होगा। देशवासी खुद चिन्हित करें, पुलिस को रिपोर्ट करें कि भाई देखो हमने देखा एक बांग्लादेशी को, ये यहां रह रहा है। चिन्हित करो, पुलिस को सूचना दे और उसको बांग्लादेश भेजा जाए। ये धर्मशाला नहीं है देश। आप हमारे यहाँ हमारा रोजगार मारोगे, हमारे मजदूरों का हक मारोगे, हमारा लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बिगाड़ोगे, हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था पर प्रहार करोगे, चलने नहीं देंगे।
सीमा पर बाड़ लगाने का भी प्रयास
हो रहा है। अब इंतजार करो, आप इंतजार करो, सब व्यवस्था हो रही है।